PSJ family, and welcome to the PSJ Memorial Early College High School Robert Gomez Jr. Performing Arts Center for our Elementary UIL Meet of Champions Award Ceremony.
We owe it to our students for them to challenge themselves at the highest level. And here today, we honor you. We recognize you for your commitment. The champion of champions is here today.
We're here to celebrate something very simple, the future of your children. We're here to celebrate the fact that they had the wherewithal to do what was necessary with the help of and the support of all of you.